Well, good morning. How about we do this? There we go. How's that better? Welcome to Willow's Way Farm. Yesterday we did a little something that I should have done a long time ago, and that was buy a square baler. Now I'll turn this around. Here we go. This is the Hayliner New Holland 273. It's pretty good. It looks pretty good. The paint on it's good. We were buying it from an estate sale, so you know, it's an older machine, but I'm pretty sure it's going to do just fine for us. So we thought we'd try it out here at the farm before we put it away for the winter, just so in case something is wrong with it, I can make plans to fix it in the spring before first cutting. So the only reason we bought a round or a square baler was mainly for Cheryl's goats. It's way easier to feed goats than what it is anything else. So feed goats with square bales, excuse me. And if we ever buy any calves, we can feed them squares as well. So I'm gonna fire this thing up. Wyatt's gonna take a little video, just a couple minutes of let's see if this thing is gonna work or not. So here we go. Well, it runs relatively quiet. It did tie that bale. We did grease it all up before we used it, so it seems to me like it's in pretty good shape. So I want to thank Shannon and her husband for selling this to us, and it looks like we might have a good hay baler, square baler for next season. So I'm going to finish forking this in, and yeah, there we have it. We'll talk soon.